So our second part of first lecture is numerical point, and that is the first topic is mean. There are three series in statistics. Number one is individual, second is discrete series, and third one is continuous series or group series. So first of all, we are starting our mean in individual series. Mean in individual series. So write a question in a classroom of 5 students. They obtained marks in a test. 40, 50, 60, 70 and 30. So this one is a question. So calculate mean. At the time of solution, we make two column. Number one is serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students, and then put the marks in the marks column, that is denoted as X column. 40, 50, 60, 70 and then 30. First of all, we will make submission of this column. The total sum of this column is 250. So now applying the formula of mean, mean is equal to sum of x upon n. So mean can be denoted as x bar, is also sum of x is 250 divided by total number of students, that is 5. The answer will be the 50. The average marks of each student is known as 50. So this is individual series of mean. After completion of the individual series, we are proceeding for the discrete series. The other series is discrete series. The answer of this question of the discrete series is there are 6 students. So they have taken the marks of the students. Number 1 is 10, then 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. There are 7 marks, and other column we will find in discrete series, that is F column. F denoted for the frequency, that is frequency column. The frequency of this column is 3, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1 and 3. Now look at this question. We have already given two columns. Number 1 is X, that is marks column, and other one is the frequency. The number which taken, 10 number taken by the 3 students, 20 number taken by the 4 students, and 30 number taken by 2 students, so on. So after that, the first step will be Fx. We will make another column that is known as Fx. Multiply these two columns, 30, 80, 60, 80, 100, 60, 210. Now make it sum of both columns. 3, 4, 2, 2, 2 and 1, 3 is equal to 17, and Fx submission of Fx column is 620. So for that, now put the formula for the discrete series. So find the mean. Mean is equal to sum of Fx upon n. So here mean can be found from fx is 620, and now there is where there is a frequency, we will make number at the place of the number is frequency 17. So 620 divided by 70, 17 is equal to 36.47. So mean is 36.47. So this is a discrete series. The third and final series is continuous series or group series. Now we are going to find mean in continuous series. The question will be in this form, that x will be 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 40, 10 to 0 to 10, 10 to 30, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. So this is a x column, and other one is frequency. Frequency is 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4. So this is the shape of the question in continuous series or group series. The first of all, we will make the sum of frequency column. The sum of frequency column is 8. So this is a n. This is a n. N means number. And then we will make x columns mid value, m point v. M point v means mid value. Mid value means make it sum of these. 0 to 10 is equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5. 10 to 20 is 30 divided by 2 is 15. Then 25, then 35, and then 45. The next step is to multiply these two. Multiply these two columns, fx, the new column is known as fx. 2 5s are 10, 3 15 are 45, 100, 175, 180. Sum of this column is known as 510. So fx is submission of fx is 510, and total number is 18. Now put the formula of mean. Mean is equal to sum of fx. The formula same as discrete series. Fx upon n. So mean is 510 divided by 18. The answer will be 28.33. After division, we will find 28.33. So mean is 28.33. So dear students, we have completed the mean topic, mean in individual series, mean in discrete series, and mean in group series. Thank you very much.